Water vascular system is the characteristic of which group of the following? Echinodermata. Segmentation in the body is first observed in which of the following? Annelida. In some animal groups, the body is found divided into compartments with at least some org. This characteristic feature is called metamerism. Given below are types of cells present in some animals. Which of the following cells can differentiate to perform different functions? Interstitial cells. Which of the following pairs of animals has non-glandular skin? Chameleon and turtle. Birds and mammals share one of the following characteristics as a common feature. Warm-blooded body. Body cavity is the cavity present between body wall and gut wall in some animals. The body cavity is not lined by mesoderm. Such animals are called pseudocoelomate. Which animal phylum shows radial symmetry in adults, but bilateral symmetry in their larval stage? Echinodermata. Which group of chordates possesses a sucking and circular mouth without jaws? Cyclostomata. What is the blood-filled cavity in arthropods called? Hemocoel. Thanks for watching. And subscribe now for daily NEET Biology MCQs.